How to verify your identity on Kraken. So if you want to verify your identity on Kraken, it is actually quite very simple, but you will need a couple of documents ready. First of all, you must make sure that you are a US citizen, and after you've done that, open the Kraken app. Here I have created an account, but it's not yet verified. So to verify my account, all I need to do is tap on the pop-up menu that says verify identity. Here I need to select my country of residence and whatever other details that I have inside my account. So here you can see to continue, we need to verify your identity. Tap the continue button over there. Simply make sure to enter your phone number. Other country phone numbers are not accepted. Tap on send verification code. Once you verify the phone number, you can choose a type of verification methods like your passport, national ID, or driver's license. Enter your social security number and make sure to upload the photo of those, and once done, once Kraken approves it, your account will be successfully verified. This way you will be able to go ahead and then verify your account on Kraken. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.